Hello and welcome. Big economic news today. India's industrial output rose by 4% year-on-year in August 2025. But how does this compare with the United States, the world's largest economy? Let's break it down. In August, India's industrial output increased by 4%. Manufacturing rose 3.8%, electricity generation grew 4.1%, and mining surged 6%. This shows resilience despite global economic pressures. Meanwhile, in the United States, industrial production in August fell slightly by 0.2% year-on-year. Manufacturing output was nearly flat, energy production declined, and demand slowed. Despite being a $27 trillion economy, America's industry is facing cooling momentum. So here's the contrast. India, a $4 trillion economy, is growing its industry at plus 4%, while the United States, a much bigger $27 trillion economy, shows 0.2% decline. India is still far smaller in absolute terms, but its growth rate is much faster. For India, this growth means stronger investor confidence and job creation. For the United States, a slowdown could signal weaker consumer demand and global supply chain challenges. Together, these numbers show how the balance of industrial growth is shifting. In short, India's industrial growth is outpacing the United States in percentage terms, but America still dominates in absolute size. The question is, can India sustain this momentum? What do you think? Comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights.